did you know that the still unidentified hijacker known as D.B. Cooper offered one of his hostage stewardesses $2,000? This was in 1971, so that was the modern equivalent of him handing her around $16,000. She had just hauled his $200,000 ransom aboard the plane and attempted to ease the tension by making a joke.
Gosh, there is a lot of money in that bag. Can I have some?
Sure. Here, you can have this.
To her surprise, the hijacker removed a packet of cash from the bag and shoved it in her hand. The paper bank strap on the packet said it was $2,000, about 4 months of salary for the young stewardess. She quickly handed it back to him, explaining that they weren't allowed to accept gratuities.
Oh, gosh, well, I do appreciate that, but we're not actually allowed to accept gratuities on the airline, sir.
Oh, all right. Suit yourself.
For more interesting facts about the only unsolved hijacking in American history, check out my channel, D.B. Cooper Sleuth.